Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Tirelo is known for being Mpumelelo second girlfriend and baby mama. She became well known just recently when she decided to be a part of season 1 of Izingani's Tembo, which is a reality TV show following the lives of Musa Mseleko's children. You guys, Tirelo has become some sort of a villain on the show, if you may say, with many people expressing their dislike over her, saying that she forgets that she is not the only girlfriend in the relationship with Mpumelelo, you guys. So Tirelo recently did a live where she answered fans' questions. Let me not waste your time, you guys. Check out the live. Please do engage, like, and subscribe.
Yeah, in pain. Pain, yeah, ing. Are you really 23 years old? No, I'm 32 years old. Like, ke na le 23. Ke be ke buela maka. O go batla ID yaka. Then jiggy, there's a baby. No, the baby, it was at 2022. We started dating in 2021. Sorry. Yeah, made a baby after a day of dating. Why the like my pillow? 2000, eh? I gave birth on the 16th of June. Did you ever imagine yourself being? No, I never imagined myself killing a little tail. Mara Francis in Mara ke feleletsa ke itinela ka moraga ke. You don't want to go there ever again, but what if you get married? Khona abanye abazayo, so they'll andisa them Denny. Ke tla reng a ke re la re gugile ke tla reng motho a nthare are you really 23 cause vele ke na le 23 years so motho gang shebella yena ba re o gugile he eng ke na le 32 ge ga ke na 23. Do you think he will get more ladies after you? Yep, definitely. My mom was like, I saw it coming. Pacey and no tamaka yone mogelins last year. Ke bone fela go go tlo ntlela ka personality ya badimotse. And then it was that. I give him my vibes. Yala gonna reach age of 30 tired as fuck. He will still be young, chasing after youngies. Good for him. Your mom's response, Sana. Mama ka harate stress, harate modumo. She's an unbothered queen. Yeah, so no, I never break down because actually I laugh. Baba give me like I respond because I'm like, wow. Man, when you have decided that East Temp is the way, or you just there because of the name he carries. No, it's not about the name he carries. And in Mpumelelo the way so yeah. Leave a story ya ka e traumatizing. I ke se ke be sharp ke tla lebella ga ke na le PPD. Yeah. Who do you think Spindy loves the most? Zhuanghe. Do your family members watch the show? Hey, they do. And the phela ba tshegile gore guys, ke rile ka re ke na le problem ya weight. That's why ke hema yana tle. What if Spindy loves Vuyo most? Then it's okay. As long as mina ang pontsha lerato, so. You mean you gained weight? It's normal, my love. I don't think I gained weight. I don't know. I keep man, if there's something wrong. I healthy.